In this video I will show you how to take a screenshot of an entire page. I will use two web browsers for this example. Let's start with the Google Chrome web browser. Open it up. Find the website you are interested in, which you want to take a screenshot of. Open it up. As you can see, this website is quite long. Let's take a screenshot. To do this, right-click on the page. In the menu that appears, select Inspect. Next, enable Google Device Toolbar by clicking on the button in the bar. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. In the panel that appears, click on the button with 3 dots. In the menu that appears, select the Capture Full-Size Screenshot option. A screenshot of the entire web page will be downloaded. The next example will be for Microsoft Edge web browser. Launch it. Find and open the website you are interested in. Next, click on the button with 3 dots in the upper right corner of the web browser. In the menu that opens, select the Screenshot option. Then click on the Capture Full Page button in the panel that appears. Next, click on the Save button. A screenshot of the whole page of the website will be downloaded to your computer. Thank you for watching.